Philosophy, a premier academic institution that provides service-oriented and committed responsive quality program. Vision, an institution that produces competent professional with skills, values, and character acceptable to the local and global community. Mission, this educational institution is committed to develop the potential of students and to discover their skills for them to give a substantial impact of varied facet of life and to provide teacher opportunities to professionally upgrade themselves to cope with the fast-growing learning teaching style. Goals. Number 1. To offer the programs that are relevant, holistic, the compliant and institutional regulatory industry and accreditation standard that will develop lifelong learners with an assurance of effective supervision. 2. To develop a qualified, professional, and motivated faculty and faculty in the area of instruction, research, and community extension services. Number 3. To provide the student with the best educational environment conducive for their development of their mental, social, and physical powers. 4. To develop student on social awareness, responsibility, and accountability among stakeholders, enhance and instruction, research, and community services. Objective. Number 1. To equip students with skills and knowledge through various forms of educational endeavors. 2. To provide the student with the best educational environment conducive for the development of their mental, social, physical, and physical powers. 3. To provide financial assistance to poor but deserving student. And 4. To increase the level of professional competence of the faculty through upgrading. PCF core values. Producer of performance-oriented and committed for excellent service individuals for the greater glory of God, country, and mankind.